Children, the next method of valuation of goodwill is capitalization method. Under this method again there are two methods. One capitalization of average profits and another one is capitalization of super profits. Now let us see the capitalization of average profits. Under this method, first of all, average profit is calculated. Formula is sum of profit upon number of years. And then the capitalized value is taken out. What is capitalized value here? Capitalized value is the amount of capital required to earn this much of average profits. Formula is capitalized value is equal to average profit into 100 upon the normal rate of return. And then capital employed. Capital employed is the difference between the assets and liabilities or partner's capital plus reserves according to the matter given in the problem. And lastly, we have to calculate the goodwill by deducting the capital employed from the capitalized value. Means the required amount of capital minus actual capital employed by this businessman. This is what is how to calculate goodwill under capitalization of average profits. See, once again I am telling you, first average profit is calculated by the formula sum of profit upon number of years, and then the capital required to earn this much of average profit is taken out. That is capitalized value is equal to average profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. And so then capital employed. Capital employed is equal to assets minus liabilities. This is also known as net assets. Or partner's capital minus plus reserves. And afterwards, the capital employed is deducted from the capitalized value to get the value of goodwill. Means this much of capital is required, but this businessman for whom we are calculating the goodwill has employed only this much. Means he has employed less amount and he has earned that much of profit equal to the capitalized, equal to the other businessman are earning than the earning. Okay? This is about the method. Good morning, children. The next method to calculate or to value the goodwill of the firm is super profit method. Under this method, first of all, average profit is calculated. Average profit is equal to sum of profit upon number of years. And then normal profit is calculated. What is normal profit? Normal profit is the profit that the other businessmen are earning by employing this much in this type of business. Capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. Normal rate of return means risk return, money rate of profit which the businessman can get in this type of business. And the third one is super profit. Super profit is over and above the normal profit. The average profit minus normal profit means the other businessman in this type of business is earning this much, and this the firm which for which we are calculating the goodwill is earning average profit. The difference between these two is the super profit. Means this type of business, this businessman is earning more than the other businessman this much, and that super profit is multiplied by number of years purchase to get the value of goodwill. These are the 4 steps that we go for to value the goodwill of the firm in this type of business. Again I am just telling you, first average profit is calculated, sum of profit upon number of years. Then normal profit is calculated. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. And third, super profit. It is over and above the normal profit is known as super profit. Average profit minus normal profit. And then goodwill is equal to the super profit into number of years purchase. That we know that what is number of years purchase. Means number of years that we require to earn profit. So these are the 4 steps to calculate the super profit. Of course, while calculating the average profit, we have to take only normal profits. If any abnormal profits and losses are there, those are to be the deducted or added back respectively. And here normal rate of return is also known as the risk return. Meaning how much risk is attained by the businessman to get this much of profit. Super profit over and above the normal profit is known as super profit, or the excess of profit that this businessman earns than the other businessman's profits. And goodwill is super profit into number of years purchase.